Hello everyone, how's everyone doing? Hope you are resonating with the readings. So let's see what is in cards for you today. Alright. And that's the Eight of Wands. So I think you'll be very busy at work, too much of workload. You'll be having your hands full work. That's what I feel the way I'm seeing. But at the same time, the fire, which is more prominent for me, I feel you will finish all your work on time and you will be able to handle things fiercely at the same time successfully, and it will make you happy at the end of the day. Let's see what is the next card coming. Okay, the Knight of Coins. So maybe I guess you've been worrying about some financial things of late, which is actually putting you off, and you're not able to understand how to handle them. You know that you need the money, and you are on the outlook of, from where to get the money. So let's see what the cards say for this money related issue. Okay, this situation will change. So I'm expecting the Hanged Man usually is basically, according to me, that as of now the person is not knowing what to do, and he feels that he is somewhere stuck. But if you see in the close up, the person knows that he is stuck for now, and he will come out of it very very soon. So today overall, when I see these cards, I feel though you feel stuck in terms of money, but you will come out of it soon, and you will feel that you handled it really well, and you were able to manage your finances quite good. And work is going to be really really good, and you will be able to finish all your work or meetings or whatever you have lined up today on time. You will also be able to take up any new work which is coming your way today. Today, I would suggest to wear the color orange, because I feel you need a lot of energy, and orange will be good for you in terms of prosperity and even in terms of finances. So, wear the color orange. Also, in the morning, chant Om Gam Ganapati Namaha 108 times. Keep some jaggery in front of your puja room and chant. And while leaving, have a little bit of jaggery from that, and then you start your day. I'm sure the day will go good, and the day will bring in all success, and all your finances will be sorted. Have a blessed day. Thank you.